Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use PixelCut AI photo editor application. So first of all you need to install it in your device, then tap on the open button. Then you have to choose what do you plan to use PixelCut for, business or for fun. So I'm just going to choose for fun. You can skip it also. How did you hear about PixelCut? So I'm just going recommendation, and you can see background remover. It's really simple. Okay, I'm just going to skip it, and it's not free. Okay, decline free trial. So here you can see this is the perfect example. Try pro for free. So for example, if you want to remove background, okay, let's see, like you'll get a couple of options, and all the option is really okay. It's really easy. So first of all, I'm just going to choose, like I don't know which thing you are choosing. So AI background, so you can get a background, profile pics, product photos. So it's good for who work for business and a product. They can use this app. So remove background, I'm just going to choose. Okay, let's see, and maybe okay, this is removing background. Okay, let me check it. Oh, it's really cool, and they did it really quickly, so you can select color. Oh my god, it's really nice. So it's really nice and simple. You can try it out. So just keep it like this. Okay, refine. You can also use AI background. Try now. Okay, try now, but it's not free. Open editor. So here you can see, if you can edit, you can resize, you can upscale, but you have to do it when you're free. So I'm just going to choose this one, and you can download it, you can save it, here, and also retouch. So you can retouch it, like you can see. Oh my god, it's really nice. Yeah, background, but yeah, background it's not free. Okay, let me check AI image. So try now. AI image also for not free. I'm just showing you which one upscale. Okay, let me check. Try now. It's not free. So I can say you can just remove your expand AI logos, mockup. So try now. So all the things are paid here. Resize, photo recolor, AI shadow recolor. So all the things are premium, okay, but you just can still use remove background, and other thing is retouch. So these two feature is free, and if you want to get pro, then you can see here it's a pro version. So you can try, and you can try this thing, but it's really easy to use.